Hey, have you ever tried using someone else's code for your project and it just doesn't fit your app? Well, there is a neat trick called the adapter pattern that fixes this. Hey guys, I'm Ali Khamir. Today I'll show you the adapter pattern in Java. By the end, you'll know how to make someone else's code work with your project, avoid messy rewrite, keep your code clean and easy to maintain. By the way, even beginner developers use this pattern all the time without knowing it. Imagine this, you are learning Java and you find some code online that prints messages to the console. Your project expects a log message method, but the online code uses print line. You could rewrite all that code, but that's boring and error prone. Most beginners just copy paste and spend hours fixing bugs. The adapter pattern gives us a clean shortcut. The adapter pattern is like a translator. Your app calls the interface it knows, the adapter talks to the old code or the online snippet code that you used. Everything works together without rewriting. Here's an analogy. Think of it like a translator. Your app speaks English, the old code speaks Spanish. The adapter makes them understand each other. Here's a Java example that's easy to follow. First step, the target interface. This is what your app wants. Any logging system must have a log message, short, simple, and easy to follow. This is the old code, or maybe a code copied from the internet. The method being used is print line, not log message. We cannot change it, but we want it to work in our app. The adapter acts like a middleman. When the app calls log message, the adapter calls print line. Your app doesn't need to care about the old code. Create the adapter, pass the logger, call the log message function anywhere in your app. The adapter handles the translation, no rewrites, no headache. Why use the adapter pattern? Makes old code work with your app, keeps your code clean, lets you add new logging systems later without rewriting. Things to watch out for. Adds extra classes, can be overkill for tiny projects. Which design pattern should I explain next? Comment that below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share it to help your friends. See you in the next one.